ourselves and move onward. As seasons change, we grow in many ways, and there may be problems that arise, but we'll be just fine and okay, because we know that we can be happy if we just remember that if we could choose, why would we do something we don't like? Instead, we should go and do the things we enjoy in life, 'cause then, when we're old, we can look back and remember that this is how we all found ourselves and moved onward. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Always call me up late night, way by the phone, I don't let it ring twice. Wake up, hope it's different this time. You'll feel the same, won't have to lie. Every time, things don't change, no surprise. Every time, oh, I still have to hide from you. I thought you knew that I wanna know you. Hide from you. I thought you knew that I wanna know you. I keep waiting.